What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Tasty Afternoon. Today we have an exciting recipe that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Teriyaki chicken stir-fry. This dish is packed with vibrant flavors and healthy ingredients, so let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. We'll need chicken breast, thinly sliced, a variety of mixed vegetables such as bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots, teriyaki sauce, minced garlic, grated ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, and optional rice or noodles. Step 2. Sautéing the chicken. Heat a tablespoon of sesame oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken slices and cook until they turn golden brown and are cooked through. Set the cooked chicken aside for now. Step 3. Stir-frying the vegetables. In the same skillet, add another tablespoon of sesame oil. Toss in the mixed vegetables along with minced garlic and grated ginger. Stir-fry for a few minutes until the vegetables become crisp tender, maintaining their vibrant colors. Step 4. Combining chicken and vegetables. Now let's reunite the chicken with the stir-fried vegetables. Add the cooked chicken back into the skillet and pour in the teriyaki sauce. Stir everything together, ensuring the chicken and vegetables are well coated with the sauce. Step 5. Simmering and serving. Lower the heat and let the ingredients simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Remember, patience is key. Once ready, serve your delicious teriyaki chicken stir-fry over a bed of steamed rice or noodles, garnishing with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and chopped green onions. Conclusion. And there you have it, a fantastic teriyaki chicken stir-fry that you can easily make at home. This recipe brings together the perfect balance of savory and sweet flavors, creating a delightful culinary experience. So why wait? Grab your apron and give it a try. Thank you for joining us on Tasty Afternoon. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and will explore more culinary adventures in your own kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel, Tasty Afternoon. Press the bell icon to never miss an update.